Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a dark aesthetic video edits on CapCut. So first, just prepare your video, and in here go to adjust at the bottom, and here for the brightness you need to set it to -30 and contrast 10. The saturation, lower it to -10, exposure -15, and then set the sharpness into 100. Then click on grabs and lower it a bit on the white color, and highlight, lower it to -30, shadow -8, and you are done. So this will be the result, but if you want to make it more dark, you can always adjust it on your own. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.